Here's a video for replacing a neutral safety switch NS41 on a Chevy 1-ton 1983 C30. Here's the switch. Has 5 terminals. It's different than most I've seen. Anyway, it's at the base of the steering column. So let's go underneath. Try to see the old one. Right up near the firewall on the steering column. It looks like it just snaps in. So I'm gonna try. All I did was push. There it goes. It popped straight up and out. And I'm trying to make sure how it's clocked so I can put it back in the same way, but I don't have a clearance problem. This video is going to need some editing. Oh, I think it's out. There we go. It looks like I can just unplug it and put the new one on. See if I can set you up where you can watch. Maybe not.